1966 Chevrolet Impala Sport Sedan or four-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Error correct, 327 V8 power underneath the hood. This is an original V8 car. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. And nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Factory AC car. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. If you want to see the still pictures, check out the undersides. It appears that it still has the original floor pans in it. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, trunk, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Original paint code C-C, so an ermine white car, top to bottom. Interior trim code 853, I believe it was, turquoise in color. Still retains a turquoise interior, and we're going to check that out in a bit. First of all, you can see Chevrolet Motor Division. Smoked wheel covers. Looks like Hankook radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. There was a couple spots I noticed on the lower doors, and you'll be able to see these in the underside pictures along the edge of the doors. A couple little bubbles, but overall this car shows well. Fun car, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Do some local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You can see seat belts. Also slid out the under dash tissue dispenser, so you can check that out. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. You can see those panels are nice and straight. Chrome in the rear bumper. Bright work looks good. There's some of your kind of typical scuffs that you see underneath the deck lid, but chrome still has a nice shine to it, as well as the paint back here. And once again, those still pictures are UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Impalas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what style you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email as we take a look up and down this driver's side. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. A couple little spots I was talking about. All right, let's take a little peek at this back seating area. Appears the seats have been recovered. This vinyl cloth combination looks very error correct though. And headliner also in great shape. Visor still intact. Of course, crank window. Door panels look like they could be original. Wouldn't surprise me. Power seat, power bench seat, forward, backward works. Tilt up and down in the front, tilt up and down in the back. Raise and lower in the power seat works every direction. I've also had the wipers working. The radio works, actually has an audio box, I believe it was brand-wise, FM, that will play through your AM radio setup, and that is working. Just got to have your AM radio set on the right station. Horn works also. Hadn't tried that yet. Let's fire this one up. And it is a smooth runner. Every time I've started this car, it pops off. 4-barrel Rochester carb on there. Nope, I take that. Yes, it was Quadrajet. So 4-barrel Quadrajet on there. Rochester, obviously. Tissue dispenser. Little nostalgia. I mentioned the radio works. You got to turn on the AM. Make sure you're tuned in about at 14 if you can see where that needle's at. We come down here and you can change your FM station. Run the volume up top yet though. Kind of cool. Dash looks good. Nice throttle response. Like I said, take a look at the underside pictures. The fans in this looked original. I believe the newer muffler and exhaust from the muffler back. And again, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Everything seems to be working on this one. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and stick around the very end of the video. Jason will take you for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, hood liner. Underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, era correct 327. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 paired up with that. Power brakes, power steering, there's that AC, and it has also been converted to the 134A, R12. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage in between drives. Looks like a newer battery. This one's ready to roll. 1966 Chevrolet Impala Sport Sedan, otherwise known as a four-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a nice 1966 Chevrolet Impala. We have a factory AM radio which is paired up with a AudioVox FM adapter. If you remember from back in the day, that's what we used. And that is working. This is an automatic on the column. Our turn signal is working as it should. Speedometer also working as it should. This car starts up and idles nicely right away. Smooth running car. Any wind noise, which is slight, appears to be coming from these front quarter windows. The fuel gauge is showing a little over a half of a tank. We have a clock over here on the right, and that is counting the minutes and the seconds. Working as it should. Wipers work. Believe it or not, AC blows cold in this car. Beautiful teal interior. A great color from the 60s. The headliner looking good. Factory horn is working. Just a slight amount of slack in the steering. Very slight. About what you would expect from a car this age. Under the dash, tissue dispenser, matching with the Chevrolet logo. A nice touch. Brakes smoothly. Bench seat up front and in back, so bring the whole family. They appear to be in good condition, comfortable. Corners the way it should. Doesn't lean too much in the corners. The kickdown works on the automatic transmission. This is a great cruiser. Take a look at all the pictures of this 66 Impala at uniqueclassiccars.com.